When you have finished this topic, you should be able to do the following. Explain what non-printing characters are. Show and hide non-printing characters. Describe how paragraph marks carry formatting with them. And manipulate formatting by adding and removing paragraph markers. When you type a space or press Enter to go to a new paragraph, Word puts in a character, just like when you press any other key. So, even though all you see is a space, there is actually something there in the background. These characters don't appear in the printed document and are referred to as non-printing characters. Some examples of non-printing characters are paragraph marks, manual line breaks, tabs, and of course, spaces. These extra characters can make it difficult to read the text, so they are not shown unless you switch them on. However, you do need to switch them on if you want a detailed look at the layout of your document, or if you want to check for extra spaces. You can use the Show Hide button on the Home tab to switch the display of non-printing characters on and off. Let's try this now. Please display the hidden characters in this document. That's correct. Now you can see the non-printing characters in this document, including paragraph marks, spaces, tab markers, and a page break. However, the extra characters are quite distracting. Click to hide the non-printing characters again. That's correct. Paragraph marks are non-printing characters that Word adds to mark the end of one paragraph and the beginning of another. A paragraph mark shares the same formatting as the text in that paragraph. If you add a new paragraph mark, it takes the same formatting as the previous paragraph. Then, when you add text to the new paragraph, the information stored in the paragraph mark is used to add the same formatting to the new text. If you're typing and your text suddenly takes on different formatting, it can be useful to look at the paragraph marks to see why this is happening. We've added lots of formatting to brighten up this flyer, so we need to take care that the correct formatting is applied if we make any changes. This is the paragraph mark for the first paragraph. It has the same formatting as the text that comes before it. We want to add some more text under here, so let's see what happens when we press Enter to create a new paragraph. The new paragraph mark on the next line has brought the formatting with it, so any text that we enter now will take on this formatting too. Now you try adding another item to the list of events, keeping the same formatting. Add raffle to the list and click on the next paragraph. That's correct. The last paragraph in this document looks a bit short. So we want to delete this paragraph mark between the paragraphs to join them up. You can remove a paragraph mark using either the backspace or the delete key on your keyboard, just as with any character in a document. Let's see this in action. Press the backspace key now to get rid of the paragraph mark. That's correct. Not only have the two paragraphs been combined, the second paragraph has also automatically adopted the style of the first. This can be useful, as it saves you having to go back and reformat your text. You have finished the section called Formatting Paragraphs. Now would be a good time to practice what you have just learned, so why don't you do the task for this section? All you have to do is return to the menu and then click Task.